Another edition of Words of Wisdom from the porch. If your papu is a Ford man and his oldest son always drives Chevrolets, then there's friction and that is a problem. But if his oldest son goes out and buys himself a Ford, then Papu will say, "You are my number one son." True story.
Well, good morning, friends. Today is Thursday, June 15th, 2023. And it's about 4:30 in the morning. And I want to welcome you to today's edition of The Bare Naked Truth about RV repair. Well, today we hope to wrap this project up. That is the plan. We'll put in some insulation to replace some insulation that got pulled out, blown out, thrown away, whatever. Then we're going to use some contact cement and attach the Rec Pro fiberglass siding to the birch plywood we've cut to fit, and let it dry, and then we'll use our router to trim it to fit. And then we're going to put it in the RV, attach it to the RV, and get done with this project. So stay tuned for the bare naked truth about RV repair. This is my hard-working assistant, drinking his morning coffee, gathering up his energy. It's always good to have the hay man here with us. And this is our trusty mascot to the bare naked truth about RV repair. Hi, Panda. Hey, Panda. Panda dog. Oh, she gonna come see Papa. Hey, Panda dog. Hey, Panda dog.
Morning.
Look at the camera, say good morning.
Good morning.
There you go, much better. Okay, we're getting ready to put some insulation in these pockets to keep the cold in and the hot out, or the hot in and the cold out. We got our tools all set up like a surgeon: scalpel, retractor, Ringer's lactate. Then over here is our birch plywood, pieces cut to fit, and that's our insulation board we're about to cut up to fit in those cubbies. So here we go. Okay, we're cutting we used our birch plywood to create a pattern, and we're cutting out the insulation to fit. And the insulation this is R5, it's 1 inch thick, and of course, obviously, it cuts with a razor knife once you get what you want.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
It needs to go down a little bit.
We left that little spot right there in that area for electrical wire that we just couldn't get the insulation to cooperate. We got our clearance wire, our clearance light wire sticking out. And now we're ready to move forward. Water break time. Good job, Hayden. Good job. Well, we finally got the Rec Pro fiberglass siding out of the big tube. And that's it right here. That little sheet of fiberglass was $200. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut the Rec Pro fiberglass to fit our pieces, and then utilizing contact cement them together, let that dry, and then attach the panels with the birch plywood and the fiberglass to our patch, to our area where we've been working on. Boy, I wish somebody here knew what they were doing.
We kind of know what we're doing.
You think?
Yeah.
Well, I like your confidence. Say, we'll get it, Papa.
We'll get it, Papa.
Camper 0, Hayden and Papa.
Camper 0, Hayden, Papa 2.
There you go. It's like a soccer score.
Mm-hmm.
We're applying the contact cement, both to the fiberglass side and the wood side. And you give it about 15 minutes to set, and then you contact them together. The gluing doesn't happen till you contact it. That's why it's called contact cement. Words of wisdom from the bare naked truth about RV repair. Well, naturally, if I've got an outdoor project, then we're going to have weather. We're going to have rain and lightning and lightning and rain. And that's what's happened here, and we are currently in a rain delay. The game will restart shortly as soon as the rain delay ends. Well, I think the rain is over for now, and the hay man there is drying our tables off, and we're going to try to get the tools back out and go back to work. Wish us luck. Good luck to the bare naked truth of RV repair. Camping is not for the faint of heart. If you don't like working on your camper, then you might want to stick to hotel rooms or be very, very wealthy to afford getting your RV worked on and kept for 6 months at RV repair places. Once again, camping is not for the faint of heart. A great idea shared to me by my good friend Outlaw in Overalls was to take a scrap piece and try doing a little bit of work with a scrap piece. And we've got Miss Lenny Pooh out here helping, and the Hayman. So we're going to actually get some stuff done after the rain delay. Okay, I put the camera away. 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 Now we cut our little piece of scrap to test. Now we're going to cut a piece of the Rec Pro, scrap Rec Pro to size, and then we're going to glue it. And this is our test subject. And Grammy says it needs to be about 4 inches longer. And I said, that's what she said. And Hayden thought that was hilarious. Look here, Hayden. That's what she said. And the laughing stops. Applying the contact cement.
Oops, I got outside the room.
Tell us why it's called contact cement, Hayden.
Because it glues on contact.
It glues on contact. That is correct. Nothing happens till you contact the two together. That is correct. He can be taught. I'm so proud of him. Good job, Grammy. Good job.
Okay.
And this is our test piece that we just cut to fit with the router. I was mostly concerned with the radius curve around the door there. I wasn't trying to make this right side perfect, but it turned out all right for a test cut, I think. We'll see. I'm working on my RV. I'm so tired of working on my RV. The first piece of the finished product in place. Protective plastic pulled off of it. What do you think? Applying the contact cement to the large piece. Of fiberglass siding. Well, actually, they're applying it to the birch plywood, and there's the fiberglass, the large piece of the fiberglass siding laying right there to be glued.
Alright, I'm gonna slide it that way so we can do that edge. Do that edge over there.
Good thinking there, Lenny Pooh.
Don't on the edge where it's touching the table. Just wait and we'll move it. So we don't.
The glue has been applied. The glue has been applied over here. And you're supposed to allow 15 minutes before you contact them together. And that is why it is called contact cement, because it only makes cement when it makes contact. This message brought to you by Yellowwood. Buy Yellowwood at your local Ace Hardware.